Dear friends, welcome to Abida Vlogs. Hope you all are doing good. Today let us make the easiest, quickest and TikTok famous and super delicious little pancakes which are kids' favorite. This is perfect for breakfast, brunches and parties. This takes only less than 10 minutes and is super delicious. So let's start preparation. Firstly, mix the dry ingredients. To a bowl, add 1 cup of flour. Here I am using organic whole grain wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour as well. When using whole grain wheat flour, the pancakes gets a brown color, and with all-purpose flour, pancakes gets an ivory color. For healthy breakfast and especially for kids, I always prefer organic whole grain wheat flour as it provides more fiber and other nutrients. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This is the standard ratio of baking powder and baking soda to 1 cup of flour. Add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar to this. I always prefer natural organic brown sugar to white sugar. If you are using white sugar, add 3 tablespoons only. Don't add more sugar as we are consuming this with a maple syrup or honey, which is also sweet. Add a pinch of salt to balance the taste. Combine everything together so that all the ingredients are equally or evenly distributed. Then keep this aside. Moving on to wet ingredients, take a bowl, crack 1 egg to this. Make sure that the egg is at room temperature. Add 2/3 cup of buttermilk to this. If there is no buttermilk at home, add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar to 2/3 cup of milk and use it. Add 50 grams of melted butter and whisk this nicely so that all the ingredients are blended properly. To this, add dry ingredients in 3 batches so that no lumps are formed. Don't overmix the batter. Now pancake batter is ready. Now pour the batter to a squeeze bottle or a Ziploc bag. I am pouring the batter to a squeeze bottle. The pan should be in medium-low heat. If the pan is not non-stick, grease nicely. Now start making small circle-shaped pancakes. If you are making for the first time, turn the flame to low. This is super easy, thrilling and creative. I really enjoyed making small circles with batter. This takes only 2 minutes to cook. Once the top is set, air pocket starts appearing and it's time to flip. I am using a chopstick to flip. Cook for not more than 15 seconds or the pancakes dries out. We want super soft pancakes. We got a full bowl of fluffy, soft, delicious mini pancakes. Drizzle maple syrup and enjoy pancakes with strawberries. Believe me, this is super simple and delicious. Store remaining pancakes in Ziploc bag and refrigerate it. Reheat and use it whenever you want it. It is same as freshly prepared pancakes. Dear friends, if you like my vlog, please press the subscribe button and there is a small tiny bell icon nearby. In that, press all so that you will receive the notification for my coming videos. Thanks for doing so.